Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your network and device essentials. You want 15 to 20 Mbps minimum for decent frames. Once done, plug the controller or device into Ethernet or move to a 5 GHz band to cut interference. Make sure the Xbox app and controller firmware are updated, and close other streaming or syncing apps that steal bandwidth. Then change the cloud quality to a performance-focused preset or lower resolution to prioritize frames over visual fidelity. So once your basics are set, move into deeper network tuning. You should enable co-S or traffic prioritization so your gaming stream gets first dibs on bandwidth. This reduces packet loss and jitter, which kill FPS. Use a USB Ethernet adapter for phones or tablets when available because wired is more stable than Wi-Fi. If not, place your device near the router and use 5 GHz. Also limit other devices during play and aim for latency under 50 milliseconds to keep frame pacing smooth. To finish, run a short playtest and watch for drops. If you still see stutter, lower in-game graphics or select a lower stream resolution to stabilize frames. Make sure the Xbox Cloud Gaming Performance mode is enabled and use a wired connection for repeatable results. If you run into persistent problems, reboot the router and your device, reconnect the Ethernet adapter, and rerun a speed and latency test. If results are poor, contact your ISP or switch to a less congested network for another test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.